Hello all, welcome to Quest Zero. Today's session will look how to reduce the blocks that are connected in series, parallel and a feedback loop. So stay tuned.
Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for continuous updates on the channel. And if you like the content, do like and share the video.
Yes, we will first set the working directory to the previous directory that we had set in the desktop, and once that is set, we will load the control package. So pkg load control. Once this is done, we'll look into cases where the blocks are connected in series. So when the blocks are connected in series, let's say there are two blocks, G1 10 by S plus 2, G2 S by S into S plus 1. The reduction is a simple multiplication that goes in. So the resultant will be 10S by S cube plus 3S square plus 2S. That is what we are going to do now. So G1 we are going to represent it as TF, and as we have discussed previously, we'll set up two square brackets. In the first bracket, which is representing G1, it is 10, and the second bracket, which represents the denominator, s plus 2, coefficient of s to the power of 1 is 1, and for s to the power of 0 is 2. This completes the setup of G1. We will again set up the transfer function G2. G2, it is TF, numerator is s, so it will be 1 space 0, and denominator is s square plus s when you open the brackets. So s square coefficient is 1, and space coefficient of s to the power of 1 is also 1, but s to the power of 0 is 0, and then we'll close it with a semicolon. Now when we want to connect these two blocks in series, we simply use the word series as a command. So let's say the function, that is the resultant function, if we represent it as gs, is equal to series, open a bracket after writing series, G1 comma G2, the two blocks that are in series, and you put an enter, the value of the blocks connected in series is obtained, which is similar to what we had discussed before. Now we'll see the blocks connected in parallel. Let's say call it as arrangement 1, wherein the same two blocks are connected in parallel but with positive sign at the summing junction. So the resultant for this is 10 by s plus 2 plus s by s into s plus 1. So the resultant is 11s square plus 12s by s cube plus 3s square plus 2s. In order to do that, we'll use the command, the resultant of the parallel connection, let's say gp is equal to parallel in brackets g1 g2. This should give you the resultant value, which is same as what we had seen previously. Now we'll look into the second arrangement, wherein the same two blocks are connected in the parallel arrangement as it was done before, but there is a small change. Now 10 by s plus 2 is connected positively, but the other block is connected negatively. So 10 by s plus 2 minus s by s square plus s will give you the resultant value 9s square plus 8s by s cube plus 3s square plus 2s. This value we need to obtain. So what do we do is, let us say the resultant is gp2 to denote the second configuration, or gp1 you can name it. Parallel, the g1 is positive but g2 is minus, so minus g2. So the resultant function will be the same as that we had obtained previously. Now we'll see the blocks connected in feedback loop. So this is the arrangement where s by s square plus 1 is the forward block, 10 by s plus 2 is the feedback block, but this feedback block is sent to the summing junction with a negative sign. Hence, while reducing, we use the formula forward block by 1 plus forward block into the multiplication of feedback block. So the resultant is s square plus 2s by s cube plus 3s square plus 12s. So in order to obtain this, let's say feedback GFB or GF, whatever you want to represent it, you can represent the function, and is equal to feedback of, you need to first write the forward block, which is G2, and once you have written the forward block G2, you need to put a comma and represent the feedback block, which is G1. You get the answer. Now, if the feedback loop is connected with a positive sign instead of a negative sign, the formula is forward block by 1 minus feedback block into forward block. So the answer will be s square plus 2s by s cube plus 3s square minus 8s. So how do we obtain this? Say GF2 or GFB2 is equal to feedback forward block is G2 as it is, and minus G1, that is what we are going to do. The answer for this is the one that we had obtained before. So please go through this. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the section. Please do like the video and also share it with your friends and subscribe for the channel. Thank you.